Bats are fascinating creatures for several reasons. Unique flight bats are the only mammals capable of sustained flight. Their wings are actually modified hands with a membrane of skin stretched between elongated fingers. This gives them incredible maneuverability in the air and allows them to fly at various speeds and altitudes. Diverse species. There are over 1,400 species of bats, making them one of the most diverse mammalian orders. They range in size from the tiny bumblebee bat, which weighs less than a penny, to the large flying foxes with wingspans of up to 1.5 meters, 5 feet. Echolocation. Many bats use echolocation to navigate and hunt in the dark. They emit high-frequency sound waves that bounce off objects and return as echoes, helping them to detect prey and obstacles. This system is highly advanced and allows them to hunt insects, fish, and even small vertebrates. Ecological role bats play crucial roles in ecosystems. Insectivorous bats help control insect populations, including pests that can damage crops or spread disease. Fruit bats or flying foxes are important pollinators and seed dispersers, aiding in the reproduction of many plants and trees. Social structure. Many bat species exhibit complex social behaviors. They often roost in colonies, which can range from a few individuals to millions. Within these colonies, they engage in activities such as grooming and vocal communication, which strengthen social bonds and help maintain group cohesion. Longevity and adaptability. Bats have relatively long lifespans for their size, with some species living over 30 years. They are also highly adaptable, capable of living in a wide range of habitats from tropical forests to temperate regions and even urban environments. Diverse diets. Bats have a varied diet depending on their species. While many are insectivorous, some are frugivorous, fruit-eating, nectarivorous, nectar-feeding, or piscivorous, fish-eating. There are also a few species of blood-feeding bats, such as the vampire bat, which have evolved specialized feeding mechanisms. Thermoregulation. Bats have unique methods of regulating their body temperature. Some species enter torpor, a state of reduced metabolic rate during cold periods or when food is scarce. This allows them to conserve energy and survive in environments where resources are limited. These special traits make bats integral to many ecosystems and highlight their evolutionary adaptations that allow them to thrive in diverse environments around the world.